good day everyone. So we're here in Deca Homes, Bacolod City. So this is our available units, and block area is block 95 and then block 97. So as of now, this is 5,000 cash out only. So if you have, if you already have your complete requirements, reserve yours now. Good day everyone. So this is the model house of 2-story socialized unit of Deca Homes, Bacolod. So ito po yung sala. And then this is the bathroom. And this is the 2 meters back extension na pwede dito siya i-occupy. So you have available space at least 2 meters at the back. And then, pwede nyo pong sundin yung type of modern house na dito po is laundry area. So, pwede po tayong magsampay ng damit. Ayan. So, in front, you also have 2 meters available space. Ayan. So, pwede po siya for front extension or pwede po kayo maglagay ng balcony. And then, let's check po ang taas. Ayan. So, while waiting yung client, ito yung muna. Ayan na. This is a nice model house. So, this is your first bedroom. Ayan. So, pwede po kayong maglagay ng double bed. Ito po yung space niya. And then, this is the second bedroom. Ayan. So, ang good for 2 bedroom po siya. And then we still have space dito po. Area yan. So, depende po yung pag-arrange ng bahay or depende po sa pag-layout nyo.